people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a very simple remedy that would help you to remove all pubic hair, facial hair, and all unwanted hair. Okay, so this remedy would help you so much in getting rid of all of those stuff naturally, very affordable and very simple. All right, so if you want to know what comprises of my remedy with toothpaste, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video, and also turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, please do ask them on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright guys, let's dive into this video. Now the first ingredients we're going to be using for this hair removal is going to be toothpaste. Now we need this so to calm the skin so much in preventing bumps and irritations while removing pubic hair or facial hair. All right, so it's going to contribute a whole lot in this hair removal treatment. And the next one we're going to be needing will be tomato. Now tomato is an almighty hair removal natural remedy. Okay, this is going to be one of the main ingredients in removing facial stroke pubic hair. It's going to help in polishing the skin. It also contains a lightening property that helps to lighten up the skin. Using tomato on the skin would leave your skin looking youthful and radiant. All right, and the next ingredients we're gonna be needing will be turmeric powder. Now here I have organic turmeric powder. You can buy this in a local market where they sell spices. Okay, so turmeric powder helps so much in removing all unwanted hair. It helps to grab the hair and it get rid of it gently and gradually. All right, using turmeric powder on your skin will leave your skin looking youthful and glowing, and it also help you to lighten up that area. All right, and the last ingredient we're going to be needing is olive oil. All right, so this is where I actually bought this from an herbal store. You can grab it too. Olive oil, it's an homemade olive oil. So olive oil is great in tightening up the skin, and it's replaced a bad oil on the skin. All right, so we're gonna be needing this a whole lot in this hair removal remedy because it's going to help in tightening up the skin and leaving the skin smooth. All right, so now let's prepare all our ingredients together. First of all, we're going to be preparing the tomato, and I'm gonna go blend this tomato because we need the tomato paste. Okay, so I'm gonna be cutting the tomato in pieces just like this. Now this is just going to blend really well in my blender. All right, so we're gonna be transferring this into a blender, and then I'm gonna be putting in just a little bit of water so it can enable me blend this really smooth. All right, for the tomato, here is my blended tomato, and I'm gonna be needing just 2 tablespoons of the tomato. Okay, I'm also gonna be taking half tablespoon. All right, now I would have to be pressing in the toothpaste into the mixture. And lastly, for the olive oil, which is really essential for this, I'll be putting in half teaspoon of that. Okay, and that is it. Now time to stir and mix the ingredients together. Okay, so we're gonna be patiently mixing all our ingredients together to give us a fine paste. And there we have it. All right, The consistency is perfect. It's great. Alright, so how you're gonna apply this, you can either apply it on your face or at your pubic area. Now you have to spread this treatment through that part, okay, in which you have hairs that you want to get rid of. Okay, you can also use the treatment on your jaw, you know, to remove all the hairs on your jaw. Alright, so this is it. Okay, you have to make sure that the treatment actually like covers and touches all of the hair in which you don't want to be there anymore. Okay, alright, so after you spread it through like this, you have to leave it on for it to dry. Okay, now when it dries, you have to then give it a little massage. Okay, now it's not going to be like extra dry. Okay, it should be a little dry and a little moist. Okay, then you give it a little massage, just like what I am doing right now. Okay, and you're gonna be noticing that, you know, that your hair is just gonna be falling off. It's just going to be falling off, and after that you go wash this off. You leave it there for like a couple of minutes, like 1 minute, then you go wash it off. Okay, for this treatment you can store it for a few days. Okay, and then you have to apply it consistently for like 3 days, and all of the hairs on those parts is just going to fall off. Okay, and it's also going to delay the growth of a new hair. That is the whole essence of this treatment. Okay, and you're going to be loving your skin. It's also going to, you know, smoothen your skin around that part and remove any blemishes, and it's going to also prevent bumps. So that's it, guys. That's a very simple way in which you are going to get rid of pubic hair and facial hair. Alright, it's going to be very effective, but you have to also continue using it, okay, to see a magnificent result. And the result is permanent, and also the hair does not really grow back easily. Okay, it takes a long while for the hair to grow back. So that's it, guys. If you did love this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, and also turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me any questions, please do that on my website. Alright, follow me on Instagram. I'd love to see you there. Alright, I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye, guys.